I was informed, and I think it was by the foundation, that in 1964 we gave $10, and I don't exactly remember where that went to, but that was our first on record, and we've gone from there. The reason Kansas State is one of the best ag universities in the country is because of the professors, the teachers, research, judging teams. It just goes back to hard work and reliability and Midwest students.
Our students in the College of Agriculture are very inspiring, and they can tell that you're from Kansas and K-State by your warmth and your sincerity, and it rubs off. They are so appreciative of the money, and it helps them to continue their education.
We plan on and hope for that these monies will help push them forward, and as they leave K-State and enter the real world, there's a great place at the university that they graduated from to go back to. That if you become involved at Kansas State in some area, you will start contributing at some level.